I figured I'd shoot this video now, considering I've encountered this problem now. As you saw in one of my other videos, and if you haven't, just look on my channel and you'll see the mesh mod tutorial. Works very well for the like the crankcase under the engine, stops dirt and shit getting in there, but as good as it is for the Pullstart, it's actually starting to break already, if you see. But as good as it is, it does stop dirt and fucking leaves and shit getting in, but it won't stop fine particles of sand getting in. And I've got the EZ Pullstart on this car, but the tiniest amount of dust and dirt that gets in there stops the little arms from springing and catching, so you get this. So I'm gonna show you how to temporarily clean it, but I am gonna order a proper outerwears cover to put on, as well as the mesh that's here. So yeah, I'll do that now. So the first job, I'll pull this off, and this shell is pretty broken anyway, so just get that out of the way. And there's 4 screws, 1, 2, and then 2 underneath, so I'm going to take them out and the Pullstart will come straight off, and then I'll show you what I'm on about. So I like to use my electric screwdriver, so I took the wheel off to gain access to this bolt here, but you can keep the wheel on and just use an Allen key, but I'm lazy, so pull this off. That's absolutely fine, don't need to worry about that. The issue, as you can see, is here. These, oh, you see that dirt? It's dropped straight off. These should be pointing out like that, so they catch on the engine. And as you can see, this fine dirt has got inside there. All you really need to do while you're out on the field like me is bring a can of compressed air, spray that in there, maybe a bit of silicone spray as well to loosen it up, and then it will catch just fine. But yeah, ideally it does need some outerwears. I don't actually have compressed air with me at the minute, so the next best thing is a paintbrush, which I fucking hope I've got out here. It might be in the boot of my car, so I'll go and check that first. Well, I'm an idiot. I left my silicone spray and my canned air at home, and my paintbrush. So I'm just going to get this rag, I guess, and just try and get in there. Off camera, I'm going to tilt the car to the left and like bang it on the ground to knock some of the shit out as well, but you get the gist of what I'm doing here. I'm just cleaning that fucking shit out so they can move. That one's good. This bottom one, it will help if I rotate the engine, so the stuck one is at the top, and that's really fucking jammed in, so get your screwdriver. There we go. With canned air it's so much easier because all of it just fucking shoots straight out, and it'll be good to go. But while I'm out here, they're freed up. I'm going to clean it a little more off camera, and then continue the video when it's all back together. But yeah, that's the gist of it. You just want to free those up. So, and just to note, if you're going to regularly take it on surfaces like this, which are a hell of a lot of fun, I probably would recommend you do not Loctite these bolts, because the chances are you're going to be taking them off quite often. And that's literally it. I can't really start it with one hand, but I can feel that it's catching, so we're all good to carry on.